today we're gonna make these two dudes taste some foods. You guys hungry? I'm gonna start with some lettuce. Come here, you two.
Pretty sure Batman is a man.
Come try this.
She's moonlighting. That means working somewhere else at night, not that she's a werewolf.
No, you can't eat that. Look,
We're running out of plausible explanations.
try this. Try. You'll eat anything. Abel, no. Here.
Yes, you can
Here.
do this.
Here. Here's your plate.
I know there's a fifth person
No.
inside there
No.
somewhere wanting to get out.
You can't eat the turkey yet. I'm like, I don't know about this stuff. You don't like that, do you? Normally he eats everything. Alright, next we're gonna have carrot.
You dropping it like it's hot, but you don't seem to be sweating like it's hot.
Carver.
I don't think so. There's no sweat
No?
coming through
Yummy?
your pores. It's almost like your face is made of plastic.
What are you doing over there, man? He doesn't know what it is.
It's a simile.
Don't like it?
Get you to actually
What's that? What did you get? You got a piece of carrot. Here, let me take that. Carver, next. We are not doing the turkey yet.
Take care. Bye now. I'm Pierre McNabb. The P stands for pleasant evening.
Pleasant evening.
Oh wait, we're supposed to be hiding so we can.
1 second.
Why are you talking like Nick?
Next, we're gonna give them some chippies. Here, baby. Want some? Put it. It's over here. Over there.
Maybe it would help if the statue had 3 voices. Oh, that would be worse. If 3 is worse than 2, then 2 is worse than 1, which means I win. Oh, wait, if we keep arguing about this, we're gonna miss Piper. No, we're not. She's right there.
Oh, wait. Yo, baby. Like them? Yum. He likes that. How about you?
Are you still wearing that joy buzzer? Yeah.
Try it. Try the yummy chips.
Check the elevator to the roof. Let's see what's going on.
I think they like the chips. Next.
I guess a lot of people walk past us during that whisper argument.
So, don't mind the TV, it's really loud. Abel, you like yours? Did you even eat the lettuce? He even ate the lettuce. Jeez, you hate lettuce.
Underground club.
Good boy.
It's on the roof, so really it's more of an overground club.
Let me take that from you. No, I'm taking that from you. Carver, I'm taking that from you.
Overhanded.
All right. Be back. All right, we are back, and we're gonna do
Boy. Oh, here it is.
yogurt.
Always nice to see a fellow bouncer.
Yum, you like that stuff, don't you?
Watch and learn. Excuse me, sir.
Abel, you love
Your
yogurt.
shoelace is untied. All right, now's our chance. What are you talking about? You distracted him so we can sneak in. No, I didn't. I said watch and learn how to help someone prevent dangerous trips and falls.
Yummy,
Thanks for
Abel?
warning me about my shoelace, man. That was really cool of you guys. Go on.
Now's our chance.
What the hell? Okay, next the next one you guys will love. The next one you guys are gonna die for. No, no, you can't eat that one. Whoa, you snatched it. No.
Performing for all these people? I didn't think like performing. Or
You
people.
good. Yum, yum. Put your nose under there. Sit. Oh!
But it won't work, 'cause I'm at Jarvis.
Abel, try the carrot again. No? Alright, how is that?
Let's get out of here.
Let's get out.
No. Then she would have written a song called a week.
How is that? Huh? By the way,